Hi! Today we're going to make some chocolate flapjacks. Very simple, very easy, but you do need an adult to be with you when you do this because it is going to be over the stove and the gas. Okay, as always, before we start, off we go to wash our hands. Remember, wash your hands always really well before you do any form of cooking, any form of eating, anything to do with food, preparation, anything to do with food. Wash your hands beforehand. Give them a nice good dry. Okay, and then off we go. This is a super easy recipe. Very delicious, not particularly healthy, but there you go. So you need Jumbo Oats. You don't have to have Jumbo, but Oats, definitely. Some golden syrup, brown sugar. You can use white, but brown's better. I'm going to use some good chocolate, all right, which has got 85% cocoa, and I'm going to use some butter, okay? So all you need to do is you need a saucepan. I'm going to put the chocolate into the saucepan, like that. Okay, you can choose the chocolate you'd like. I'm going to put the butter into the saucepan, like that. Take all that butter out, it started to melt, okay? I'm going to pop that over the stove on a low heat because I don't want it to get too hot. I'm going to put into that the brown sugar like that. All right, all I need that to do is melt. So we've got the chocolate, we've got the butter, we've got the sugar. Once that has melted right down and you can't see the chocolate or the butter and it's completely melted, you will add the oats and you will get the oats in there, and then you will literally put the mixture either into some little containers like this. You could use a tin, and this is one of the tins that you can push up the bottom, all right, so that's quite useful. And you need a baking tray, all right? That's what you need for that. So once this is melted, you pop the oats in there. So I'm going to cheat and move over to the one I've done earlier. It's not too hot. I've put the oats in, give it a good stir, like that. And then all you need to do is take your container or your tin. And what I've done with these is I've just made little ones like this. Make it about half full, use your teaspoon, press it down like that, lovely. And then you bake that in the oven, and these are baking quite quickly, about 10, maximum 15 minutes. But if you did a big tin, it would probably take a little bit longer. They're very delicious. You can also, you don't have to use the chocolate if you'd rather not. But that makes a good, not totally healthy snack, but it's very delicious. Don't forget, if you want to add a little bit of the syrup, you can. That makes it even sweeter. Enjoy.